everyone, welcome to my channel. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and also turn on the bell notification for such recipe videos. So in this video we are going to make chicken popcorn. So let's start. Cut the boneless chicken into bite-sized pieces. Add them into a mixing bowl. Then add 1 egg. Then add 2 teaspoons of oregano. Add 2 teaspoons of red chili flakes. Add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Add 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. And then add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix together all the ingredients and rub all over the chicken. Marinate it for at least half an hour. Now in another bowl, season the corn flour and breadcrumbs for coating with salt. Pick up each piece of chicken and dip in. And roll in the breadcrumbs. Once it is done, place them in a white plate. Repeat the same step until all the chicken bites are coated. Rest for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, heat oil for frying and deep fry in batches on medium heat. We have to fry the chicken until it is cooked through and lightly brown from the outside. When it is lightly brown, drain popcorn chicken on a kitchen tissue. Serve hot with ketchup or any sauce. If you like the video, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.